How to use Loom Screen Recorder. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to record your screen and share videos quickly using Loom step by step. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. First, download Loom on your computer. You can also choose to use the extension and skip the app entirely. To start recording, you need to either open the application or open the extension. Once the recorder opens, you'll see the options to choose what you want to record. You can record your full screen, a specific window, or a custom screen, or just your webcam. You can also choose whether to include your microphone audio and webcam video. Now, select the screen or window you want to share and click Start Recording. You'll now see Loom will count down and begin recording your screen and audio. While recording, you can navigate your computer normally and demonstrate what you want to. Once you are done with the recording, tap on Finish Recording to stop the video. Once the recording is stopped, Loom will automatically upload the video to your account and generate a shareable link. From there, you can rename the video, add the comments, react with emojis, or use Loom's AI feature to summarize the recording automatically. To share the video, simply click Copy Link and send it to anyone you want to send it to. They'll be able to open the link and view the recording as soon as they receive the video link, without the need to download the video manually. And that's it. That's how you can use Loom Screen Recorder easily.